we present the project Collective Intelligence. The project is based on two approaches. Anyone can program. Any text can be written as a program. What problem do we see and propose to solve now? Two large groups are forming in society. Programmers and ordinary people who use IT solutions but don't understand how they work. Various phobias begin to form based on the principle of a machine uprising. The second problem we see is mutual understanding between individuals in general. When communicating, usually only a very small percentage of information reaches the partner without distortion. The third problem is the accumulation of a huge amount of knowledge and the lack of skills to reuse it. Effective transmission to other individuals and the possibility of knowledge development, rather than attempts to reinvent the wheel. Thus, ioHasC is a format and environment aimed at learning and applying acquired skills to program various everyday tasks. Creation of contracts, understanding of legal documents, algorithmic disciplines of mathematics, physics, accounting, jurisprudence, lawmaking, creation of smart contracts, games, etc., and other things. For this purpose, they were developed mathematical construction of pseudo-random generator, PRG, and the semantic machine in its Haskell environment, with which we can turn any text into a program. The function of understanding between a human and a computer is perceived clearly by both humans and cybernetic systems. Principles of understanding and generating responses, mechanisms for verifying conclusions, and the possibility of correcting them when reliability is low. To finalize the project, we still need to develop a number of tools. The environment for writing texts and using no-coding LM is suitable. A compiler that will automatically generate the program from the declaration and check for completeness and consistency, and accumulate the BD as PRG programs. Our minimum viable product currently represents the basic principles of text formation as a program and the possibilities of structural interaction with the generated elixir. Briefly explain how any text becomes a program. In order for any text to become a program, all the lexemes in the text need to be formatted in a specific way. What we base it on, the position, what we aim for, the goal, how we achieve alignment. This involves a semi-automatic code annotation, and a person just checks its correctness, the principle of large language model encoding. In the mini app, we can choose from already prepared contracts of our interest, use it under the developer contract terms, free distribution, subscribe to the channel, payment in cryptocurrency, receiving a contract in text format, formalized format, as a local dictionary and vectors of understanding, transformers, and also discuss the contract to clarify some nuances arising during its application. We consider a wide range of society as our target audience, who strive to comprehend and use IT principles and the opportunity from reapplying these principles to everyday activities. For example, writing smart contracts in a no-coding environment, protect your perception from fraud and distortions, better understand math, physics and partners during communication and various meetings, build a business on the principles of mutual expression of interests and development. Since ioHasC is a trending solution, we consider current artificial intelligence solutions as our main competitors. Since the environment and goals are similar, only the math and basic principle differ. The main drawback of artificial intelligence is the use of poorly controlled formalization methods, manual text annotation, and mathematical statistics, and as a consequence, incurable and uncontrollable hallucinations. ioHasC is free from such flaws due to the use of a layered environment and analogs, and the application of logistically precise search algorithms based on principles. How to get from point A to point B. What we see as the usefulness of this project. Since we have a strict formalization of the text, among the tons you can write smart contracts in natural language with the ability to personally control what is written development of a collective digital interaction environment in the form of cooperatives, and the creation of a standardized business environment, and later a legal environment. As a maximum goal, the formation of a global trend aimed at rationalizing thinking and applying rational interactions in social relations. Future growth model. The basis of the project's capitalization should be allocations in the form of tons for the repeated use of experience, channel growth, and bot subscription. For different channels, creating non-profit associations, cooperatives based on the project, as a goal, maximizing the creation of closed local economic chains that ensure a sustainable cycle of production and consumption. The project team is quite large and consists of members from friendly channels and groups of programmers who implement software solutions.